Hi, I'm Rich Torrey, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? With Thanksgiving upon us, I thought we would draw something light and fun and, well, ridiculous. And with those parameters as our guide, I've chosen Homer and Bart Simpson as turkeys. Back in 2019, the Simpsons Thanksgiving episode, which was called Thanksgiving of Horror, featured many of the Springfield residents as turkeys, including Homer and the entire Simpson family, while some of the other residents were depicted as pilgrims. Thankfully, none of the Simpsons were eaten in the episode. Anyway, before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Okay, so let's draw Homer and Bart as turkeys. We're going to draw our Homer and Bart turkeys step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Homer is 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire turkey body is 2 of those, not counting the toes on his 1 turkey foot. Using Homer's head as our guide for Bart, his entire body is 1.5 of those, with one of his turkey feet sticking out as well. Alright, so let's start with a roadmap for Homer and Bart as turkeys. So there's our roadmap for Turkey, Homer, and Bart. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the 3rd and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you to know where to put Turkey, Homer, and Bart's eyes, beaks, Homer's weird turkey gobbler thing. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out our Homer and Bart's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features and Homer and Bart Simpson as turkeys. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Turkey, Homer, and Bart. That's a weird sentence. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. All right, so let's draw in the details for Turkey, Homer, and Bart. Alrighty, there they are. Homer and Bart Simpson as turkeys. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Homer and Bart either as turkeys or humans, then you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring our turkeys during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Homer and Bart Simpson as turkeys. And with that, you can draw them again and again, and by all means color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Turkey, Homer, and Bart. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends. And in the meantime, I'd like to wish you and your families a very happy Thanksgiving.